In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x000001. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Type for wsreset.exe, click on the OK button, and wait until this procedure would be finished. Okay? And once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then let's move on to the second solution, and that is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. So close the window first, and then navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, please proceed to the left side. You can see a search bar. Please type for Windows Space Store. Then kindly wait until you can see a result, which is the find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it. And then the moment you have seen this window, click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter. So check if the problem has been fixed the moment you have run this troubleshooting procedure. And then if the error still persists, then navigate to the last solution. First, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Then you need to navigate to the button search bar, type for PowerShell. So once you have seen the best match, which is the Windows PowerShell, navigate here at the right side and wait until you can see Run as Administrator. Click on it. And then from here, please paste the command that I have given. Copy, paste it here, click on the Enter key, and you can now start the procedure. Once you are done with this, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.